Yo, what's going on, guys? Sneaky here, welcome back to the Minecraft video, and today I'm going to be showing you a little cloning tip that might help you when you're building your Minecraft city or houses or whatever. Now, with the Bedrock version, you're able to use commands such as clone and fill and all that, and all this amazing stuff that you weren't able to use before in the Xbox One or Pocket Edition or anything like that. So sometimes it may get a little difficult and confusing onto using such commands, so I'm here to help you guys solve that problem and make crafting a little easier. So to begin, we're going to be cloning these custom palm trees I made. Now, I ran into this problem where I wanted to put a lot of them, but unfortunately Minecraft does not have palm saplings, so I have to build them all by hand, and that takes a lot of work. I really don't want to do that. That's where cloning comes in handy. So to start cloning your tree or anything in general, you have to face north, and facing north, this is the only way it'll work. If you don't face north, the entire process is just messed up and you have to redo everything. And I don't know why this is. You have to face north, but don't ask me. I'm not the one who created the game. But yeah, it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and do it anyways. So as you see, that's north for me on the locator map. That's north. Now we're gonna go ahead and mark our first coordinate, which is on the bottom left corner of the build. Facing north, bottom left corner. Oops, I should not have done that. That's the palm tree right there. So we're gonna go ahead and mark our first coordinate. So we'll go ahead, type /clone. Oops, I typed in 2 slashes. So /clone. And the game is nice enough to give us the coordinates at the bottom left corner of the chat bar. It's wherever your cursor is aiming at. That little plus sign we saw before, that's your cursor. Anytime you aim at a block, that's where the coordinate will be marked on the bottom left corner of the screen. And also, one more thing, guys, I recommend to have your coordinates on so you're not lost. Because if you don't have them on, you will get lost. Enough talking, let's go ahead and mark our coordinates. So it's 125, our Y is 90, and our Z is 190. Now, it will say on the upper left-hand corner, syntax error. Do not worry about that. Just trust me, don't worry about that. That's all we're doing is just saving our first coordinate so we're able to mark our second. Our second coordinate will go at the top right corner. So let's go ahead and mark that. One more thing I do want to do before I point out to you guys, actually I'll show that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and write this coordinate down. So we're at the upper left hand corner and we're in between this end of the leaf and that end of the leaf. And this works on any tree, guys. You just want to take the two ends that where there's nothing after that, and then mark it. So as you see here, this is where the farthest end is. Let's go ahead and mark that, and that'd be 131, 113, and appreciate a triple threat. Thank you, man. That's love right there. See, you guys supporting, that is love, man. That is freaking love, man. Your support means the world. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So 184. So we have our X, which is 131, our Y is 113, and our Z is 184. And it will say syntax error again. Do not worry about that. But what we're basically doing is I outline this black box here to show you guys what we're marking. So here is your bottom left corner right here. Everything has to be inside the square. If it's not, then this doesn't work. Like if your block is, let's say, right here, and you're gonna mark like right here going in, it will not work. That will not clone it. You have to have at least the ends, and have it right on the ends, have it literally equivalent to the ends, because if you have anything outside, it's just gonna look weird and mess up if you're cloning something right next to there. And yeah, so That's our first coordinate, the bottom left right there, and our upper right hand coordinate is right here. So we're basically, so it's the total opposite corner, and we're filling in this box. All we're doing is filling in this box. So we have our first and second coordinate. Now, pasting can get a little tricky. The way to paste is to do it at the upper bottom left hand corner. That's where you're supposed to paste it. Like I said before, I'm not the one who created this game. Don't ask me why. That's just how it is. So that's how we're gonna do it. So the way to paste this, I know that this is the center of our tree. That is the total center of our tree. And if I'm pasting it where I want it to go, it's gonna go out diagonally by 1, 2, 3 blocks. So we're gonna do exactly that. So we have 1, 2, and then 3 blocks diagonal from our pasting destination. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is paste it. Paste the palm tree. Let's do it. So we're going 142. Our y is 90. You have to make sure you get every coordinate correct, because you'll really mess up if you don't. And believe me, I've been there, I've done that. It's not good. So 90 and 186. Here we go, guys. And boom, there we go, guys. That is our palm tree we have cloned. That looks so sexy. That is awesome. I mean, just, it literally cloned exactly that. Obviously, we have the glowstone from the original build that we cloned. Obviously, that's not supposed to be there, but that just goes to show that everything gets cloned, which is amazing. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, guys, is copy and paste every single palm tree on this strip right here, and I'll be back with you in just a minute. So as you guys can see, I have completed all of the palm trees. Well, most of them. There's still a few in the back I need to do, but for the most part, I completed everything, and it just looks freaking amazing, guys. It literally looks like we're somewhere in Florida or Southern California or something. I mean, Beach Boulevard, this neighborhood is really looking amazing. And one thing I do want to do, guys, is I want to quickly show you guys how to reclone something where you don't have to retype all the coordinates in. That's junk. That's just extra work you don't need to do. So as you see here, north is that way, like I explained earlier, and our destination pasting is 3 blocks diagonal from the center from our destination. So we're gonna go ahead, face down, put our cursor and face down, scroll up one. Oops, I actually set the different times. I wanted to see how it would look, but so masked is a completely different thing, guys. I'll show you what that means later on, but pretty much we're gonna go ahead, delete the last 3 coordinates we typed in, and go ahead, retype all of our coordinates back in, and boom, there we have it, guys. Palm tree number 1. I'll go ahead and show you another example too, to see how I do this and to kind of give you guys an idea of how to properly clone different structures and trees, so they don't really so you don't have to go back and kind of reclone everything, you know. So again, we're gonna go ahead, put our cursor face down, erase the last 3 set of coordinates we have, and retype in our new destination, and voila, there it is, guys. There you have it. That is how to clone palm trees or any sort of trees. This neighborhood, Beach Boulevard, is looking really good. Up and coming neighborhood here in Seal City. A lot of videos on this. Be on the lookout. Like I said before, the hype is real. It is here and it is real. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, that's always appreciated. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I post Minecraft content almost daily. If you are creative or city builder or any of that, then this is the place to be. Like I said, guys, the hype for Seal City, it is here and it is real. Also, one thing I do want to mention before I get out of this, I should have mentioned it at the beginning of the video, but I don't know why I didn't. A really helpful tool I use when I use fill commands and when I use clone commands and that sort of stuff, I like using an Xbox chat pad. A chat pad just plugs in right straight into your controller, and it feels really good. It's very comfortable, and it types like no other. So look, I'll show you. For example, literally just type in on my chat pad, type in anything, you know, whatever. I mean, I understand that, you know, some people use my keyboard for Minecraft, and you know they do all that, but you know, it's just a huge hassle. I don't feel like doing. I'd rather just, you know, type in my chat pad. I could just switch over to a new video game right away. So, you know, no hassle, no sweat, and it feels very comfortable in your hand as well. You could pick one up at GameStop for like 20 bucks or, you know, whatever. You know, you could probably pick one up on Amazon for even cheaper, but like I said before, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.